Hi everyone, it's Femelani here, and in this video, I want to talk about something really interesting. Now, you see, if you have ever tried to buy USDT recently, I'm sure you've probably noticed that the fees on a lot of platforms out there are ridiculously high. Now, some of these platforms, you pay for deposit charges, you pay for withdrawal fees, and even trading costs. Now, I know it's normal for you to pay for some of these things, but they are ridiculously high on so many platforms out there. And that is why in this video, I want to show you a particular platform that I recently started using, and it is called Snow Exchange. Also, I'll be telling you in this video why I decided to officially collaborate with them for this particular video. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to see exactly how you can get first, zero deposit fees. Secondly, how you can get zero withdrawal fees on Snow Exchange. And number three, you also see how you can get 25% discount on your trading fees. Now, not just that, you'll also be able to get an exclusive welcome bonus just by creating an account on Snow Exchange through the very first link in the description of this video, or check the link in the pinned comment of this video. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to use the Snow Exchange platform, there are three main reasons why I decided to collaborate with them. Now, I used the platform for some transactions before I actually made this video so that I can be able to understand how the platform works. And here are three things I noticed. Now, the first thing I noticed is that deposit and withdrawals on the platform are completely free. So what this means is that you don't have to pay any form of fee just to deposit your money or withdraw your money on the platform. Now, the second thing I noticed on this platform is that trading fees are very, very low. And I actually think that Snow Exchange has one of the lowest trading fees for any P2P trading platform out there for now. And then number three is that the moment you complete a trade on the platform, you instantly get 25% of your trading fee back. So it's just like they're giving you 25% discount on your trading fees, which is really, really good. And it's actually rare for you to see this on any exchange or any P2P platform out there. So because of these three things I've mentioned, plus the fact that I actually loved the experience on the app, I decided to partner officially with Snow Exchange to bring an exclusive program just for you guys. So let's now go to the website and let me show you everything you need to know about Snow Exchange and how to actually use it. So as you can see on the screen right here, this is the page where you'll be able to see all the bonuses and the advantages or benefits you'll be getting from my collaboration with Snow Exchange. Now, before I go ahead and continue with this video, the first thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video, and it will bring you right here to this page that you are seeing on your screen. So you can see right here, Snow and Femelani official collab draw bonus program for first 400 users. So this means that this bonus from this collaboration is for the first 400 users who are going to do what I'm about to explain in this video. Don't forget, I'll still be showing you how to use the Snow Exchange platform. Now, you can see right here, it says up to $25 per user. Join Snow Exchange with Femelani as exclusive referral code and unlock dual bonuses. Now, complete your deposit and swaps to earn instant USDT rewards, and this is limited to the first 400 users. See details below. Now, I'll still be explaining, like I said, I'll still be showing you how you can get this 25 USDT per user bonus right here. Now, like I said earlier, the first thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video, and it will bring you right here to this page. Now, once you get to this page, for you to be eligible for this bonus and to get all the benefits I've talked about earlier in this video, just come here and click on sign up to join now. Now, once you do that, you come here to where it says continue with Gmail, and then to bring you the different options or the different Gmails you have logged in on your mobile phone or maybe your laptop, whichever device you are using. And then you go ahead and select one of your accounts that you want to use for Snow Exchange. So right here on the screen, I have different Gmail accounts that are currently logged in on my device. So I'll just go ahead and pick whichever one I want to use to create an account, and then I go on from there. So once you pick the Gmail account you want to use, you will see what you have on your screen right here that says welcome aboard. Do you have an inviter? Now, in case you don't see this on your screen, just go on. I'll show you what to do. So once you get this, it will ask you, do you have an inviter? Just click on yes. And then come here to where you have this referral code where you want to enter a referral code, and enter the referral code that is showing on the screen here. So you can see this required referral code. So you must use this referral code right here for you to be eligible for this bonus and the benefit I talked about in this video. So the simple thing you just need to do is to come here, click on copy. So once you click on copy, go back to that page and then you enter the referral code. So you just paste it right there and just click on continue. Now, just in case after creating your account, it didn't ask you or it doesn't ask you that they have an inviter, what you just need to do is to come here to where you have referrals. So I'm telling you to do this thing so that you can be eligible for the bonus and the benefit you'll be getting. So once you get to this page, just scroll up, then come here to where you have this enter referral code. Now, let me show you again. You come here to where you have referrals, then you go up, and then you come here to where you have enter a referral code and enter that same referral code again. This referral code that is here, that's what you should enter. So you come here and paste it right here. So once you paste it right there, just click on validate. I hope you understand. So once you've done that, you are now eligible for the bonuses you will get from this collaboration. I hope you understand. So now that you've created an account and you've entered the required referral code, which is this, you are now eligible for this bonus. Now, how do you now go on to earn this bonus? Now, if you come here, you have the first mission right here, which is your first deposit. So you can see right here, it says complete your first deposit to unlock rewards. And what is the requirement for this? You have to deposit fiat currency greater than or equal to 500,000 Nigerian Naira, or you deposit an amount greater than 2,500 Ghana cedis right there. So once you can deposit any of these two currencies right here, you get $5 as a bonus. That's your reward for that. You get $5. Now, if you come here again to the second mission, so that's the first mission. So the second mission is the swap volunteers. So for this one, you have to swap some amount of money, maybe from Naira to any cryptocurrency, or maybe from Ghana cedis to any cryptocurrency. I hope you understand. So for example, you have bronze right here, which is the first one. So for this one, if you swap anything greater than 500,000 Naira, you get an additional 5 USDT, or if it's 2,500 Ghana cedis right here. So for the second one, you have greater than 1 million Naira. So if you swap an amount greater than 1 million Naira, you get $8. It doesn't have to be once. It can be maybe 200,000 Naira first, maybe 300,000 Naira later for this first one. So it doesn't have to be an amount at once. I hope you understand. So this third one is 2.8 million Naira. You get $12 bonus. The last one is 4.5 million Naira. You get $20 bonus right there. So you can see these are different bonuses you can get, but you can only get these bonuses when you use this referral code right here. Please take note of that. Now, if you keep scrolling up, you see that this is only available for the first 400 users to do this. And you can see right here, it is open until November 30, 2025. I hope you understand. So after November 30, 2025, you'll not be able to get this bonus anymore. And it is simple to do this right here. So you can see the requirement. It says you need to complete your KYC verification. So after you've created the account, just go ahead and do your KYC verification. It is simple and straightforward. And then you can see right here, it says follow Snow Exchange on X and especially Telegram and Discord to receive instant support from Snow admins and the community. And then it says again, complete both mission 1 and mission 2 to receive combined rewards, which I explained earlier right here. And then the next one says 1 slot equals 1 user who has successfully completed both missions. So this means that you must complete both missions right there. That's the meaning. And then only 400 slots available. And then each user receives only once at highest tier based on total swap volume within 7 days after signing up with the required referral code. So you can see all of those details right here. I can see you only have 3 steps. Number 1, create an account, complete your KYC, and then deposit and swap. So that is it about the bonus you can get from this collaboration. But like I said, I also want to show you how to use the Snow Exchange platform. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page you will see on the Snow Exchange platform. And if you want to go ahead and maybe deposit money, because that's the first thing you want to do, if you want to deposit money right here, you come here to where you have wallet. So you click on wallet. Now, once you click on wallet, you see the different currencies you can deposit. So you can deposit fiat assets, and you can also deposit crypto assets right here. So if you want to deposit fiat assets, you can deposit maybe Nigerian Naira if you are from Nigeria. You can deposit Ghanaian cedis if you are from Ghana. And then if you come down here, these are the different crypto assets that you can deposit. You can deposit USDT, ETH, BNB, BTC. And if you also want to even withdraw whether your fiat currency or you want to withdraw your USDT, you can do it from this same page. So you can see right here, these these are the different activities you can carry out for each currency or for each asset. So let's for example, you want to deposit Naira, you come here and click on deposit. If you want to withdraw, you come here and click on withdraw, and you can withdraw directly to your bank account. You can also deposit directly from your bank account. I hope you get it. And then if you want to swap, you can swap your NGN maybe from NGN to maybe USDT, ETH, BTC, whichever one. So you can swap any fiat asset to any crypto asset and vice versa. I hope you understand right there. So that's for the wallet and how you can deposit and withdraw. Now, if you want to go ahead and also swap, you can come here and do it directly from this swap page. So if you click on this swap page right here, you see that this is the page where you can swap maybe from USDT to NGN or maybe from BTC to NGN or whichever way you want to do it. So let's for example, you want to swap maybe USDT to NGN. Just come here and enter the amount of USDT you want to swap, and then you see the amount you will receive right here. And then it will show you the exchange rate. So you can see the exchange rate right here. They'll show it to you right there. And then you can go ahead and swap from any fiat asset to any crypto asset and vice versa. And then if you come here to where you have earn too, so there's a way you can also earn passive income with your asset. So if you have assets on the app, you can use it to earn passive income for yourself. So you can see it right here. For USDT NGN, you can get 1.8%. For USDT PHP, you get 0.19%. For USDT Ghana cedis, you get 0.5%. For USDT VND, you get 0.6% right there. So this is for you. You don't want your funds to just be idle in your wallet on Snow Exchange right there. You can use it to earn passive income for yourself. And don't forget, if you come here to where you have referrals, if you click on referrals right here, this is where you can be able to get your referral link to refer people to the platform. So you can see right here, if you click on this, you can use it to refer people to the platform right there. And don't forget what I said earlier, if you want to be eligible, come here and put in the referral code I talked about earlier. The referral code is simple. This is just it right here. So you see it on this page once you click the link in the description below. I hope you understand. So once you've done that, you'll be able to claim it. And if you want to register as a merchant on the platform, you can just come here to where you have merchant register. And you can see you can be able to register as a merchant where you can be able to do transactions, P2P transactions with users on the Snow Exchange platform. So I hope you understand it. So it is simple to use. And also, like I said earlier, you have zero fees on your deposit and on your withdrawal. So if you are depositing money or maybe withdrawing money on the platform, it is free. You're not paying any fee at all. So that's a really great thing to do on the platform right there. And the fee, don't forget, if you're using my referral code, you are getting 25% discount on the trading fees. So that's it for Snow Exchange. I've talked about the benefits you will get. I've talked about how you can use it. I've talked about the different features on it. And also I've talked about how you can register as a merchant on the platform. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Also, go ahead and try it out. Let me know your review. Let me know what you think about the platform. And also, if you've tried it before, maybe you've read about it before this video, let me know your review in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.